So with martial arts, we since we've been introduced, at least in the West, but I think it's probably a tradition that's been around since the beginning of time, that we romanticize about the underdog, the weaker, the smaller. We romanticize about that person overcoming, especially in a confrontational situation. We romanticize about the little person winning. You know, we came up with figures like Bruce Lee, like Jackie Chan, and these guys weren't these physically imposing figures, but yet they were able to take out anybody regardless of the size.